Hi everybody, I am Surendra. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you about how to express our attitude strongly using if there is one thing. Let's get started. Dear friends, sometime we have to express our ideas, attitude strongly. We need to focus on particular issues so that here we are going to learn how to express our attitude strongly using if there is one thing. First of all, in this process of learning, we have to understand subject and object relative clause. Let's see in the given sentence. People who smoke in restaurant annoy me. Here, people who smoke in restaurant. Whole clause is the subject of the verb annoy. So that this is subject relative clause. If there is subject relative clause, we have to use first structure. If there is one thing plus that plus verb 5 plus object plus its people who ... remaining part after who we need to write over there. So that people who smoke in restaurant annoy me. We have to write its answer like that. If there is one thing that annoys me, it's people who spoke in restaurant. Similarly, in the object relative clause, let's see the example. I hate people who smoke in restaurant. Here, I is subject and hate is main verb. And people who smoke in restaurant, this whole clause, people who smoke in restaurant, this whole clause is object of verb hate. So that this is object relative clause. If there is object relative clause, you have to use second structure. If there is one thing plus subject plus verb 1 plus its people who and remaining part. I hate people who smoke in restaurant. If there is one thing, I hate its people who smoke in restaurant. So in such a way, giving focus, we can express our attitude towards someone or something. यसरी इफ देयर इज वान थिङको प्रयोग गर्दा सबैभन्दा पहिले हामीले दिएको सेन्टेन्स सब्जेक्ट रिलेटिभ क्लज हो या अब्जेक्ट रिलेटिभ क्लज हो भनेर छुट्टाउन सिक्नु पर्दछ। यो छुट्टाउन धेरै सजिलो छ। यदि एउटा होल क्लजले सब्जेक्टको रूपमा काम गरेमा त्यो सब्जेक्ट रिलेटिभ क्लज हो भने यदि एउटा होल क्लजले अब्जेक्टको रूपमा काम गरेमा त्यो अब्जेक्ट रिलेटिभ क्लज हो। जस्तै यहाँ दिएको एक्जाम्पल हेरौँ। पिपल हु स्मोक इन रेस्टुरेन्ट एनोय मी। यहाँ पिपल हु स्मोक इन रेस्टुरेन्ट एउटा क्लज हो र यसले भर्ब एनोयको सब्जेक्टको रूपमा काम गर्दछ। त्यसकारण यो सब्जेक्ट रिलेटिभ क्लज भयो। त्यसै गरी दोस्रो एक्जाम्पल आई हेट पिपल हु स्मोक इन रेस्टुरेन्ट मा आई सब्जेक्ट हो हेट भर्ब हो भने होल एनदर क्लज पिपल हु स्मोक इन रेस्टुरेन्ट हेट भर्बको अब्जेक्ट हो। त्यसकारण यो अब्जेक्ट रिलेटिभ क्लज भयो। सब्जेक्ट रिलेटिभ क्लजमा इफ देयर इज वान थिङ प्लस द्याट प्लस भर्ब 5 प्लस अब्जेक्ट प्लस इट्स पिपल हु एन्ड रिमेनिङ पार्ट लेख्नु पर्दछ। भने अब्जेक्ट रिलेटिभ क्लजमा इफ देयर इज वान थिङ प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस भर्ब 1 प्लस इट्स पिपल प्लस हु एन्ड रिमेनिङ पार्ट लेख्नु पर्दछ। Let's see some other examples. I would like to request you, before writing your answer, you have to find out subject relative clause and object relative clause. And do remember the given structure. For example, your question number first, people who are cruel to animal upsets me. Let's see, people who are cruel to animals. This whole clause is subject of verb object and me is object. So that this is subject relative clause. And use subject relative clause structure. If there is one thing that upsets me, it's people who are cruel to animals. Like this. Similarly, question number 2. People who break promises make me angry. Here, people who break promises, this clause is subject of verb make. Me is object here. So this is subject relative clause. So use subject relative clause structure. If there is one thing that makes me angry, it's people who break promises. In such a way, you have to solve. Similarly, question number 3. I detest people who interrupt when I am speaking. Here, something different. Let's see. I is subject here. Detest is verb. People who interrupt when I am speaking. This last, this is object of the verb detest. I subject, detest verb. People who interrupt when I am speaking, this is object. So this is object relative clause. So here you need to use object relative clause structure. If there is one thing I detest, it's people who interrupt when I am speaking. Similarly, last one, question number 4. I loathe people who ring me up early in the morning. Here, I subject, loathe verb. People who ring me up early in the morning, this is object. So that this is object relative clause. So we have to solve this like this. If there is one thing I love, it's people who ring me up early in the morning. In such a way, I would like to request you, please note down the structure and learn how to separate subject relative clause and object relative clause. Then you can use easily, you can solve any problem easily, and you can use such a structure in your day-to-day life also. Thanks for watching.